Animal Farm. Animal Farm by George Orwell is an allegorical novel that satirizes the event leading up to the Russian Revolution of 1917 and the early years of Soviet Union. Here's a detailed summary. Introduction of Manor Farm. The story begins on Manor Farm, where the animals are mistreated and overworked by their human owner, Mr. John. Old Major's speech. Old Major, an elderly boar, delivers a speech to the animal about the injustices they suffer under human rule and urges them to rebel against their human oppressors. The rebellion. After Old Major's death, the animal, led by the pigs, Snowballs, and Napoleon, successfully revolt against Mr. Jones and seize control of the farm. They rename it Animal Farm and establish seven commandments. Notably, all animals are equal and four legs good, two legs bad. Establishment of animalism. The pigs, who are the smartest animals, take leadership roles and establish the principles of animalism, which advocate for equality and freedom for all animals. Rise of Napoleon. Initially, Snowball and Napoleon lead the farm together, but tension arises between them. Napoleon uses his guard dogs to chase Snowball away, consolidating his power. Corruption of power. Over time, Napoleon becomes authoritarian, altering the original principles of animalism and manipulating the other animals for his benefit. He begins to live a luxurious life while the other animals suffer. Betrayal of the commandments. The commandments of animalism are gradually altered to justify the pig's action. They begin walking on two legs, trading with humans, and engaging in other behaviors they once condemned. Oppression and exploitation. The pigs, led by Napoleon, exploit the other animals for their labor and resources, just like the humans did before the revolution. They become indistinguishable from their former oppressor. The tragic ending. Eventually, the pigs become so corrupt that they are virtually indistinguishable from humans. The once idealistic revolution has failed, and the animals realize that they are no better off than they were under human rule. The final scene. On the final scene, the animals look through the farmhouse window and see the pigs dining with humans, betraying the original principles of animalism. They realize that the pigs have become the oppressors they once rebelled against. Overall, animal farms serve as a powerful critique of totalitarianism, corruption, and the betrayal of revolutionary ideals. It highlights the dangers of unchecked power and the ease with which revolutions can be co opted by those seeking personal gain.